Hi, guys.
And we put her back. She goes again.
She looks like she's ready to do a somersault. Hey, you're doing great, Asher.
He's trying so hard. He's kicking those legs.
I gotta get away from her.
We gotta get to her.
Or to her, yeah.
It's like if she can do this, I can do this.
Yeah.
Doesn't look so hard. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Hello, the babies can't jump on it.
Yeah.
Because I bet the dog doing it.
That's a good. They're less picky than our dog.
Look at that.